Bonjour, bienvenue au niveau A2. Welcome to the A2 level. Start watching the videos, be very attentive, take notes. I highly recommend you to take notes because it will be very helpful. It will act as your aid that you have written by yourself. You'll retain better, you'll be able to understand better. Okay, so please do that for each and every video without fail. Okay, that's it. Let's start learning the first concept, that is le présent, the present tense. You have already learned the first present tense and the most important one, le présent de l'indicatif. In this video, you'll learn le présent continu along with the difference between présent de l'indicatif and le présent continu. Okay, so let's start with le présent de l'indicatif. It is the regular present tense that you have been using since the very beginning of level A1. Okay, we take the subject, we conjugate the verb, right? ER, IR, and RE ending verbs. We remove the ending, we add the particular endings of that group, and that's how we framed sentences, right? Like j'aime, this is présent. Then il regarde, this is présent. Nous attendons, we wait, présent. Yes. So, why do we use présent continu then? Présent continu is present continuous tense. The action that is currently happening, it is ongoing. But a very important thing to know is that if you are using the normal present tense, like je regarde, it means I watch, but it also means I am watching. Okay, so if present continuous is normal present tense, je regarde, then why do we need le présent continu? Because in French, je regarde can be used for the normal present tense, the simple present tense, as well as for present continuous tense. Okay, similarly, nous jouons. We watch, sorry, we play or we are playing. Okay, so if I want to say we play in general or as a habit, we play, then also I'll use nous jouons. And when I'm saying we are playing right now, that is ongoing, then also we use nous jouons. And this is the same for all the verbs. So now let's come to the point. Why do we need le présent continu? Actually, 95% of the times, okay, we don't need it. We use this normal present tense, okay, for to talk about the actions that you do in present tense or you are doing in present tense, for both. Only in a few cases where you want to deliberately tell or you want to emphasize on the action being ongoing, okay, that yes, it is happening right now. If you want to insist on that fact, only then you'll use le présent continu. Otherwise, you don't need it. Okay, let's discuss this, le présent continu. The structure for présent continu is simple. It doesn't need a lot of efforts in conjugating. After the subject, you'll have être and then en train de. That's the expression. Être, you'll conjugate être with the subject. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Then en train de remains unchanged. And then our main action word will be in its infinite form. Okay, verbe à l'infinitif. And then the object. So this is the most important part. Être will be conjugated according to the subject and then en train de and verbe à l'infinitif. So let's take a few examples where we actually need le présent continu. Okay, the first one is je suis en train de cuisiner. Je suis en train de cuisiner. Je t'appelle plus tard. Okay, I want to tell this that I am cooking right now. So I'll call you later. Okay, so that action is ongoing. So I will not be able to do the other action. That's what I want to insist on. Okay, that's why we need je suis en train de cuisiner. Second example, il est en train d'étudier. On va sortir dans 2 heures. Okay, he is studying. That action is actively happening. I want to say that. And so we will go out in 2 hours. Right now, it's not possible because that person, he is studying. Okay. Thirdly, ne dérange pas tes parents. Okay. This is not present continuous. The next one is ils sont en train de dormir. Okay. Don't disturb your parents. They are sleeping. Okay. So I have to say that they are sleeping right now. Okay. And that action is happening actively. So don't disturb the parents or your parents. Okay. So in these cases, I need to tell that the action is ongoing. Okay. So I need le présent continu. If not, we can simply use le présent de l'indicatif to say that I am cooking or I cook. Okay. Both are le présent de l'indicatif. Okay. Je cuisine. That's it. Then j'étudie, or we can say il étudie in this case. Il étudie can mean he studies, okay, or he is studying. One more. Ils dorment. They sleep, or they are sleeping. It can mean both. It can cover both. Okay, so le présent de l'indicatif is the most important tense in present, and we have le présent continu if you need it. Only in those cases we'll use it. And this structure is simple. Okay, the conjugation is not difficult. Être en train de, and then the verb in its infinite form. Okay, and le présent de l'indicatif, you know, you have been using it and continue using it. You should know the conjugations in the present tense, which is very, very important, whether you want to speak or write. Okay, so that's it for le présent and le présent continu. Start using, try to make sentences, and practice. Okay, take a situation, and start practicing by yourself. And more practice will be done in the class, okay, on the subjects, conversations, and all. But that's it for the video. Merci. Au revoir.